Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. If this is your first time tuning into this channel, my name is Chuck. It's Krulsawat with Simply Vegas. Licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. This is where we bring you video home tours across the valley. So today we got something a little bit special here. I just wanted to kind of share the location here. We got Tropicana right here is actually the main road. We're probably, I'm going to say, 10 to 15 minutes to Las Vegas Boulevard. So today we are going to be touring this condo that is for sale and also for rent. Also, I want to disclose that this is actually my condo, so we're going to pick this thing apart together. So right here is your stall right here, okay, and then your mailbox is going to be right down here. So your mailbox goes that way. Now you have a bunch of shopping and all that stuff nearby. It's probably about, 5 minutes or so. It's very close. It's a very trendy area. But some of these buildings here, so this is a 4-unit building. Some buildings you have a 6-unit building. Also, don't mind the gimbal. Been having some problems with the gimbal lately. However, I just ordered a brand new gimbal, so that should be coming in pretty soon. But let's go inside. Let's go ahead and pick this property apart together, and let's see what's going on with it. Now, the asking price on here is $259,995, or you could possibly rent this thing out for $1,545. So that's what it's going to go on the market for as far as for rents. So basically it's one or the other. So let's see here. First thing, the square footage on here is just shy of 1,000. Actually, it's 1,016 square feet, I believe. Okay. Also, the property's not on the market just yet, but it will be on the market here shortly, and we're going to put it for sale and also for rent. We have brand new carpets, nice and plush, so I like the carpets here. The walls have been painted, casings around the door. This is the original fireplace here. All that has been painted. Casings around the doors and the door frames, those also have been painted. So this is actually the original tile. Now the tile is dirty. It's 12 by 12 here. I'm sorry. Yeah, these are 12 by 12 porcelain tile, and the grouts need to be clean and also sealed. So the kitchen cabinets here, there's a lot of wear and tear and little dings here, so it's probably hard to see. However, these are the original cabinets. They have been painted. Here's your garbage disposal underneath here. Now it's getting a little bit dark, so it's kind of a little hard to see. This is the original sink faucet. When I say original, this is original from the previous owner before we took possession of it. Now this stove just looks so dirty and grimy. So a couple things. This is going to be replaced with a brand new Whirlpool stove. Range is going to go here. That's already on order. And also this dishwasher right here, because this dishwasher just looks like so nasty. Now, what I noticed about this quartz is really nice here with this 6-inch backsplash, but however, if you take a look here, there's a bunch of cuts here. The reason why you have a bunch of cuts because this is kind of like leftover material. But then if you take a look, I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but it's 2 different shades here of the white here, okay? And as you can see, it doesn't flow all the way across. So you have your standard cabinets. Now this also exhausts out. So when you buy a hood, there's 2 types of hoods, a duct hood and ductless hood. Okay, believe it or not, the ductless hood costs more money for some apparent reason. So this, okay, I was gonna say this cabinet doesn't close all the way, but so you kind of have like looks like a light scratch or crack here, but it was painted. All these little fixtures here, or hardware, this is from, like Amazon and stuff like that. Even like the hinges that you see. So these hinges was originally gold, but this was sandblasted and also painted. Now, one thing that we also did here was change out the switches and all the outlets, so that way everything just looks clean. All right. Left the popcorn ceilings. Looks like a couple light bulbs are out. Here's your, let's see here. So you have a closet there. All this just needs to be cleaned up. Slides nice and heavy. Okay, here we go. It's locked. I guess this doesn't lock. See if it locks now. Okay. Oh, it does lock. Okay. We were having some problems with that. So this is a gas fireplace. So you got your thermostat here. We're going to turn this thing up a little bit. There you go. Take a look at the bathroom. 12 by 24 with a 12-inch stagger. I mean, this stuff just needs to be all cleaned up here. Not bad, look at that. So like these fixtures are just like cheap and generic. I know you guys are probably like just wondering like, why am I talking bad about this property? Well, first of all, it's my property. And second of all, this is the channel to really tell you how it is, because that's just who I am, right? I'm critiquing my own stuff here. I love these handles. Now, one of the mistakes here is that on some of these doors doesn't need a lock, but we ordered them. Let's come down here. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So like this laundry room. This laundry room doesn't need a lock, but if you do lock, the good news is as long as you have a key here. Now the floors here have been replaced. This is like an old school washer, and I'm thinking about getting rid of this and possibly getting a new one here. Oh, what's going on here? Why is this so loose? It's not even flush. Okay. And they left that right there. It looks so old too. It's like, but I like this light because it's nice and bright. So in here, there's no like blinds or anything, but we're gonna order the blinds. You have a ceiling fan here with the light. I know it's a little bit dark. Pretty decent size in the room though. See what we have here. Just some closet space. I know it's dark, guys, so I apologize. Your air conditioning unit's gonna be right here. And this is a fairly brand new air conditioning unit. That's why when I seen this, I was like, "Ooh, cool. Good news, I can just rent this out if I choose to." But we believe we can get $15.45. So this is, again, this is going in the market for sale. $259,995. And also it's going on the market for rent. So this is actually the primary. Now it's going on the market for rent for $15.45. Here's your closet space, okay? Here's your linen closet. So this is what I'm talking about. This is such a nice handle, but you don't need a lock in the inside. Let's take a look at the bathroom here. I mean, all this stuff really needs to be clean. We got overspray paint that needs to be cleaned. Here, this just needs to be taken off for a second here. There we go. All this was redone. But yeah, we definitely need to get with the painter with this, because it looks like when they sprayed this, they left this and it's like all over spray paint. Now we gotta deal with all this, but not a big deal. Now HOAs here are about 180 something, 189. What does that include? Trash, water, and sewage, which is not bad whatsoever. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this property. I mean, overall, like on a scale to 1 out of 10, it's probably going to be about, I'm going to say maybe about a 5.5 here. It's like, it's a great rental property as far as condition wise, but attention to detail, it's not all there. I mean, you got the stove, got the needs to be replaced, the dishwasher, but all that stuff will be replaced. But other than that, I like the way it turned out. Let me know in the comments below. Also, the comps here, things are actually selling for about $275. There's a couple that dropped down to $260 because the market has slowed down a little bit. But let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are as well. Remember, this is an off-market property. It's not on the market yet, but it will be on the market. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and be blessed, folks. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.